get sponsorships for your streams? I've worked with a lot of companies so far. I've worked with Elgato, Blur, Pulsoid, Streamlabs, and our sponsor of today's video, Owned.tv. On Owned.tv, you can get your own overlays. You can get a super cool one, or you can get a super cute one, depending on what your style is. They also have an emote maker, which lets you make animated emotes. They even have packs to make your stream deck look super professional and not as chaotic as this. And the coolest thing about this is with code Trui, you will get 50% off. Link is down below in the description. Like I said, I've worked with a lot of companies in the past years. I've had really good experiences, like with Owned, but I've also had really bad ones where, frankly, I was just giving them free promotion to get a little bit of discount on their products, which is not great. So let me start out with explaining what the difference is between sponsorships and affiliate. So if you have a sponsorship, you get something for free. This can be money, but it can also be products. So a product sponsorship could be like something getting a free faceplate for your stream deck, which I know, it's a custom one. Very cool, right? Or getting an amount of money for a YouTube video, like we're doing right now for Owned. With an affiliate program, you don't get anything, unless people buy something. Sometimes an affiliate program is connected to a sponsorship. So for example, here in this case, we've got Owned.tv, who sponsored this video with money. And then we also have the link down below in the description, which is connected to an affiliate program that comes with a sponsorship. So if you guys buy something via that link, I get an additional amount from the things that you buy on the website. This means that my sponsorship with Owned is both a sponsorship and an affiliate program. There's a lot of companies that do affiliate programs without sponsorships. A lot of these energy drink brands do that, where you just get money for people that buy something. Or for example, Epic Game Store has it where you have the creator code. You don't get any games for free, you just get the code, and then when people buy something, then you get things for free. On the one hand, affiliate programs are nice because it's easy to make more money if you buy something there anyway. On the other side, if you don't sell anything, you are still delivering them value as you are talking about the products, but you're not getting anything in return. So this is pretty bad for you, right? I think you're watching this because you want a lot of sponsorships, right? You want to be able to live from content creation. But be careful to not have too many sponsorships run at the same time. If you're streaming on Twitch and your panels are just one billboard for a lot of different companies, this is not great. You might think it looks professional because you have a lot of sponsors. It's not really, because the real estate, the spots on your profile, are worth almost nothing now because there's so many on there. So the less companies you have on there, the more worth a spot is on your profile. The more people want to pay for it too. If I make a YouTube video and the whole video is 5 minutes of 20 companies that I'm promoting in this video, nobody wants to pay for this video. But if I just have one shout out at the start of the video, people are like, yeah, I want to reach streamers, I want to connect with streamers, and then they want to buy that spot. Okay, so how do we actually take action and get those sponsorships? The first method is just emailing a lot. So if you will email a company, you're basically telling them, hey, this is me, and I want to work with you. You're gonna get a lot of no's, but you know what? If you email 100 companies and one says yes, it was worth it, wasn't it? So a lot of people email with, hey, do you want to collab or do you want to sponsor me? This is not the right way to go about it. You want to tell them what your value is. So why would they want to sponsor you? What do you bring on the table? What kind of content do you make? What niche are you in? If you don't know what a niche is, I have a video about it right here, and I definitely recommend you checking that out because it's a really important thing to know in the business. But if you clearly know what your niche is, the company knows if they want to work with you because they know what kind of niche they want to sponsor people in. For example, I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. And companies that want to promote to streamers know, hey, I need to be a Trui because he makes streamer support videos. So if you're a company selling Ferraris, there might be people watching me right now that want to buy a Ferrari. I see you. But there's not a big percentage of you that want to buy a Ferrari right now or looking to buy one. There's a way bigger percentage of you guys that want to stream and set up things for your stream. So it makes sense to advertise those products to you guys. If you have Instagram, you might have noticed that sometimes under a post, you get a message like, hey, make sure to DM me because I got an awesome sponsorship. Or you get a DM right away from a company saying like, hey, do you want to work with me? Usually, these companies are either scams or bad affiliate programs, or they're just questionable companies. I've had a lot of these and I've never really thought like, oh, this was a really good opportunity. So I want to warn you, I don't want to say every one of these is a scam or a bad company or has bad rates for you. However, a lot of them have, so be careful. If you're present on a lot of platforms, a good way for companies to reach you is by emailing you. So make sure that you leave your email address on your bio or your profile, depending on which platform you're on. On YouTube, for example, you can leave it in the email section. On Twitch, you can set it in your panels. On Twitter, in your bio. And Instagram, there's also an email section for it. Then besides just emailing them and getting emails from them, there's also a lot of platforms that can help you with it. There's a website called Adshot. This one connects you to brands, and then brands can send you a collaboration request. And then you can take a look and see if you like it or not, and accept or deny it. Then we have Noiz. On Noiz you have the same thing, but with games. So games that you want to play, some games want to pay you for playing them, and they're displayed right there. There's also some free games that you just get the key for, and they're also on Noiz. Then you have Daredrop. This one doesn't pay you anything, but it does give you free games that you can give away to your viewers. So what you do is you accept a quest, then you get a game key yourself from that game that you need to do a mission in. You go over one of these missions, and then if you have made it, you made a clip, send a clip in, and then you get a free game key from a certain game to give away to your viewers. And then we also have Indieboost. On Indieboost, basically you have a section with free games that you can claim as a content creator, but you also have a section where you can bid on games. So basically you say, hey, if I play 60 minutes of this game, I would like to get $20 for that, and you can send it in, and then the developer can see like, oh yes, we want to do that, or they can bid lower if they want to. So these are some easy ways to get sponsorships, and this way you don't have to email companies, because that can be a little bit hard and a little bit scary for some people. This way it's a lot less scary, I would say. A good affiliate program is the Amazon Associates program. Basically, you can sell anything on Amazon and you will get a small percentage of it. So let's say I have this controller, the Switch controller. I can just leave a link down below in the description for the Switch controller, and if you buy it, I get a percentage from it. I do like the Pro controller, so if you're still looking for a controller for the Switch by any chance, I recommend this one. Link's down below in the description. The reason why I actually put it in the description is so you can see how the link would look like. But if you click on it, you basically just go to the page, just test it out. You go to the page of the Nintendo Switch controller, and it looks like just like regular Amazon. However, you get cookies on your computer, and if you buy something, then I will get a percentage of what you're buying. I can't say how much the percentage is, because on Amazon it's like different per category. So for electronics it's something different than for beauty products and stuff like that. Please look over affiliate programs and sponsorships. There's a lot of fake ones and a lot of just really bad deals. So I want you to be really careful for that. I do have a video right here where I talk about bad sponsorships, scam sponsorships, and what the red flags are you have to be aware of, because I definitely do not want you to fall for any of these red flag companies. So be safe and check this video out.